In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or select an object with a gradient fill or stroke and save it as a swatch for future use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, this is a handy skill to enhance your workflow and keep your design elements consistent. We'll start by either creating or selecting an object that already has a gradient fill or stroke applied. It's important to ensure that this object is vector-based, or alternatively, you can use a fill layer. The reason behind this is crucial. Gradients applied to pixel layers become rasterized and cannot be preserved as a true gradient swatch. By keeping your object vector-based, you ensure that your gradient remains editable and reusable. Once your object is ready and selected using the Move tool, let's head over to the Swatches panel. Now, this step is important. Make sure you're using the Move tool and not the Gradient tool for selection. This may sound like a minor detail, but it's a key step in making sure everything works seamlessly. Next, within the Swatches panel, you'll need to choose or create a palette where you want your gradient to be stored. This could be a document palette, an application palette, or any other palette that suits your needs. Having a well-organized palette helps in easily accessing your most used gradients and enhances your workflow efficiency. With your target palette in place, look for the small Add Current Fill to Palette icon. It's typically represented by a palette with a plus symbol. If you prefer using the context menu, just right-click and choose Add to Swatches, and then select From Fill. Either approach works, so pick the one that you're most comfortable with. This action will save your gradient as a swatch, allowing you to effortlessly reuse it in future projects. The value of this step lies in its simplicity and convenience, as you can now apply this gradient to other objects by simply selecting it from your palette. As an optional, yet potentially powerful step, you can also choose to export your entire palette for use in other documents. To do this, navigate to the Swatches panel menu and select Export Palette. This flexibility means you can maintain your gradient styles consistently across different projects or share them with team members, keeping everyone's design elements uniform. By following these steps, you not only save time, but also ensure design consistency and efficiency in your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!